Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can add token in Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. So first, you want to go here into the Chrome Web Store if you don't have Phantom installed in your browser yet, or Google Chrome right here. As you can see, I already have mine installed, but if you don't have this, then you can just go into Google and search for extensions right there in your Google Chrome, and you can go here in the Chrome Web Store and you can search here Phantom right there. And after that, you can see the Phantom Wallet right here. As you can see, it's the Phantom Wallet, and I have already added this, so it's all good. Now we can proceed right here after you have installed it. And now what we want to do so that we can add our token, then we can go into manage token list, and in here you can search the token that you want to add. Let's say you want Ethereum, which I just added. Then you can just see Ethereum right here after you search for it, and you can enable it using this button right here. And another thing that you can do is if you want to add metadata in adding your token, then you can go here in add custom token, and you will have the option to add token metadata, and this will cost 0.00204 SOL or Solana token right here. As you can see, this one is Solana token right here. That is what it will cost, so that you can add a token metadata right here. And all you need to do is simply provide the mint address, name, and symbol, and after that you are all good to go. You need to click the add button right there, and you should see it right here, and that's it. All you need to do is just do what you want to do with it. You will be able to see it right here, and that is how you add a token here in Phantom Wallet. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.